welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 basic steps to a successful wash day. The step-by-step process involved in taking care of your natural hair, which actually starts from your wash day. So if you are curious about what makes a great wash day routine, definitely smash that like button and let's get right into the video. For some naturalistas, wash days are one of those days that they dread the most, and this is actually because of all the TLC your hair needs, which includes long hours of detangling, washing in sessions, cleansing the scalp and all. But no matter how much you dread wash days, you need to remember that a dirty and an unhealthy hair will definitely lead to stunted hair growth. So the best way for you to have a healthy, well moisturized, shiny and longer natural hair is for you to have an effective wash day routine. I personally love to keep my wash days as simple as possible, and this has really been working for me. And I honestly feel that it's best for you to keep your wash day as simple as possible, especially if you're a beginner, you're just starting out to take care of your natural hair. You need to make a simple wash day routine so that you don't get overwhelmed, tired and give up in taking care of your natural hair. So I always break down my wash day routine into 5 basic steps, which includes the prepoo stage, the shampoo stage, the conditioning stage, the deep conditioning stage and the moisturizing stage. So now let's talk about the first step, the prepoo stage. Prepoo is a pre-shampoo process. It simply means preparing your hair for the shampooing process. Now, I know some of you might be wondering that why do you need to prepare your hair for the shampooing process? Now, most of the shampoos in the market actually contains some harsh ingredients like sulfates and parabens. And these two harsh ingredients can actually strip your hair of its natural oils, thereby making your hair and your scalp feeling dry. And this can lead to itching and scalp irritation. So you want to make sure you prepoo your hair to protect your hair from all these harsh ingredients in your shampoo. Prepoo actually keeps your natural hair and scalp feeling hydrated and leaves your hair strands feeling so soft even after shampooing. Now, another benefit of prepoo is that it makes the detangling process easier. It makes it easier for you to detangle your natural hair. We all know how messy our natural hair gets, especially when dry or after losing a protective style. And if you don't detangle properly before shampooing, you might actually lose a whole lot of hair during your wash days. Yes, I've experienced it and it wasn't funny. So you need to properly detangle your natural hair during the prepoo stage to prevent hair breakage during your shampooing process. I personally use a rinse out conditioner that has lots of slip. That way, I'm able to properly detangle my hair. My hands are able to glide easily through my hair and detangle my natural hair properly before shampooing my hair. So this is the rinse out conditioner I use, the VO5 conditioner, and it has lots of slip and has been working for me. It has really been helping me to detangle my hair before I shampoo my hair. Some people also use hot oil treatment, which is quite good, but I use rinse out conditioner because this is what works for my hair. So just study your hair and know what works for your natural hair, so that way you'll be able to decide whether to use rinse out conditioner or hot oil treatment. Aloe vera gel is another ingredient that you can use for your prepoo stage. Basically anything that adds moisture or that has slip or that is slimy in nature will detangle your hair and will be very good for prepoo stage. So to apply this prepoo, make sure to section your hair. Always work in sections. Anything you want to do with your natural hair, always work in sections. So just divide your hair into sections and then you apply the conditioner, either the rinse out conditioner or the hot oil treatment on your hair from the root to the ends. And please make sure you pay attention to the ends of your hair because they are the weakest and oldest part of your hair. So you want to make sure you coat the ends of your hair with the conditioner or with the hot oil. Then you cover with a shower cap. For extra heat, you can cover it up with a plastic bag first, then you go over with a shower cap. I personally use at least 3 plastic bags, then my shower cap and 2 of my hair bonnets, just for extra heat. You want your hair to absorb all the rinse out conditioner or the hot oil treatment you are giving it. Then you wait for at least 15 minutes before washing off. I wait for 15 minutes, then I wash it off with warm water. The next step is the shampooing process, the cleansing process. Now the shampooing process is very very important because a clean scalp will promote new growth. Now there are two types of shampoos. We have the clarifying shampoo and the moisturizing shampoo. The clarifying shampoo actually contains some ingredients like sulfates and parabens that can actually dry out your natural hair, while moisturizing shampoos do not dry out the hair. So I prefer moisturizing shampoos. Most of the time I use moisturizing shampoos to wash my hair, but there are times that I use clarifying shampoos as well because clarifying shampoo is a deep cleansing shampoo. So on days when I feel like deep cleansing my natural hair, or when I feel like moisturizing shampoos will not really get the job done, I go for a clarifying shampoo. So now, while moisturizing shampoos are actually recommended, try to use clarifying shampoos too sometimes, just to deep cleanse your hair, just to make sure your scalp is very very clean. So this is the shampoo I use. This is a black soap shampoo, and I made this black soap shampoo myself. So if you would want me to make a video on how to make a black soap shampoo, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely make one. So now this is how to apply your shampoo. Immediately after rinsing your pre-poo with a warm water, you go over and apply your shampoo and massage well into your hair, focusing on your scalp. Please, at this stage, make sure you're not using your fingernails to wash your scalp, because at this stage your scalp is very wet and vulnerable, and using your fingernails can actually cause open wounds, open cuts, and you don't want that. Please do not use your fingernails. Also make sure to massage your scalp very well to remove any build up dirt on your scalp. And if it will take you up to 3 or 4 minutes to wash a particular section, please do, because what is the essence of you washing your hair when there are still build-ups in your hair? So you want to make sure you get out all those build-ups on your scalp with your finger pads. Another secret about wash days is that you want to wash your hair with warm water. Please do not use ordinary water. Now let me tell you the gist about warm water. Now warm water actually open up the pores in your scalp, thereby allowing your shampoo to thoroughly clean all the dirt and build up on your scalp. Warm water also helps to increase blood flow in your hair follicles, thereby promoting hair growth. Now the third step after shampoo is to condition your natural hair. Now there are different kinds of conditioners. We have the rinse out conditioner, deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner. But I'm talking about the rinse out conditioner and deep conditioner at this stage. You know, I said earlier that shampoo can actually strip your hair of its natural oils. So this conditioner will help add moisture back into your natural hair. Do you get the logic now? As shampoo is drying out your natural hair, your conditioner will bring back moisture into your natural hair. Now, some people use both the rinse out conditioner and the deep conditioner at this stage, but I personally don't use the rinse out conditioner at this stage because I already use my rinse out conditioner at my pre-poo stage. So I do not need to use a rinse out conditioner at this stage. I just go in with my deep conditioner straight. Deep conditioners actually retains more moisture than rinse out conditioners, and since I'm trying to make my wash day as simple as possible so I don't get overwhelmed, I just cut out the rinse out conditioner. Since I've already used it as my pre-poo stage, I just cut that out and go in with my deep conditioner straight up. So I won't be showing you guys my deep conditioner because I actually make my deep conditioner myself, and since it's a DIY product, I only make them on my wash day, and I only make small batch. That way I can use the whole batch during my wash day. But if you would want me to show you how I make my deep conditioner, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely make one. So unlike the shampoo that focuses on your scalp, the deep conditioner actually focuses on the hair strands, because the main function of deep conditioner is to strengthen your hair strands and also add moisture back into your hair. So it has no business with your scalp. So just you want to make sure you are coating all your hair strands with this deep conditioner, and please pay more attention to your ends. You know, I said earlier it's the weakest part of your hair, so you want to pay more attention to the ends of your hair. Make sure to coat the ends of your hair with enough deep conditioner. So after application, if you are using a rinse out conditioner, after application you want to cover it with your shower cap and wait for 3 to 5 minutes. But if it's a deep conditioner, you want to wait for 15 to 30 minutes or follow the instruction on the label of the particular deep conditioner you are using. Then after waiting for that 30 minutes, you want to rinse out with a cold water. You know, I mentioned that during your shampoo process you should use warm water to wash your hair so as to open your pores, so as to open the pores of your scalp. But now during this deep conditioning stage, if you want to wash this deep conditioner out, please make sure you use a cold water to close back your pores, because leaving the scalp open can actually cause serious scalp irritation and can even damage your scalp. So after rinsing out my deep conditioner, I like to go over with a final tea rinse. When I mean tea rinse, I mean hibiscus or clove tea rinse. After washing the deep conditioner with a cold water, I go in with that clove or hibiscus tea as a final rinse. I just pour it on my natural hair and leave it like that. There's no need for you to wash that away again, because hibiscus and clove actually has so many hair benefits. Then please, another mistake most people make is to dry their hair with a bathing towel. Please do not use a bathing towel to dry your hair. Bathing towel breaks natural hair. It causes friction to your hair and makes your hair break. So you want to make sure you're not using bathing towel. So the best thing is for you to use a microfiber towel. If you don't have a microfiber towel, you can use a t-shirt or you get a jersey material to dry your hair. Those ones won't cause friction on your natural hair. The last step is for you to moisturize your natural hair. Now this is my favorite part of wash day. I just love moisturizing my hair. I love adding products to my hair. Now, there are basically two methods for locking in moisture in your natural hair. Because immediately after washing your natural hair, after washing the deep conditioner away, you want to lock in that moisture. You want to lock in that moisture in your natural hair. So there are two ways you can lock in those moisture. You can use the LOC method or the LCO method. The LCO means liquid, cream, and oil, while the LOC means liquid, oil, and cream, in that order. So you can try both methods out to know what really works for your hair, but I personally love to do the LOC method, so I'll be explaining the LOC method to you guys. So the L in the LOC could mean liquid or a leave-in conditioner, but since you just finished washing your hair, obviously there will still be some water left on your hair, so just go on and apply a leave-in conditioner on your natural hair. This is the leave-in conditioner I'm currently using. So it's called the Mediana Leave-In Conditioning Milk. And this leave-in conditioner has really been working wonders on my natural hair. Before, I used to use Miracle leave-in conditioner. You can also try Miracle leave-in conditioner. But the reason why I stopped using that was that it was too watery. Like, it was just too watery. And I have a feeling that it will not really lock in moisture on my hair. So I decided to get this one. So this one too is watery, but not as watery as that Miracle Living conditioner. Then if you have money and you can afford Cantu, then you can also get Cantu Living conditioner. That one is sold for around 3,500. So if you can afford it, you can buy that one. But this one, I got this one 600 naira, very cheap, like, and it's very affordable. It's something you can buy again. And that's one thing you should keep in mind, especially for beginners. You want to go for natural hair products that are cheap, not ones that you will buy this month and you won't be able to buy again. So just go for the ones you can afford and that you will be able to buy next time. So the next step is the O, which means your oil. So after using my leave-in conditioner, I go over with my oil, but my oil is actually not here right now. But you can use any oil, any moisturizing oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil, you can use any oil. But if you are following the LCO method, where the O will be the last, please make sure you use a sealing oil, not a moisturizing oil, because you're actually trying to seal in moisture. So please make sure you use a sealing oil if you are following the LOC method. But if you are following the LOC method like I do, I just use a moisturizing oil. So the last step is the C, which could mean cream or hair butter. I personally love to use hair butters. Like, I'm very big on hair butters, and I believe most naturalistas use hair butters for their hair instead of hair cream. Since I've already used leave-in conditioner, I feel I should use a butter at the last stage. Then I feel butters trap in moisture more than hair creams. My opinion though. So this is my hair butter. You can say I'm almost out. When I made this hair butter, it was here, like it was very full, but I'm almost out. That's how much I love hair butter. So I just apply this hair butter on my hair to seal up all the moisture. So after applying my hair butter, I just oil my scalp. just oil my scalp. Then you massage the oil in into your scalp just to stimulate blood circulation and hair growth. So that is the last thing I apply on my hair, and that's all. You are good to go.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A